handball. Good handball again. Nice job, boys. Keep the play. Hey, guys.
You know what? There's some good things out there, but guys, listen, you're going to have to go okay? Yeah, guys, process across the net. You're going to cut your balls going across the net. Nobody's in the box to tap it in. I'm going to go Hunter. Who needs a break? Anyone need a break?
Coach.
Who was over here? I said, yeah, we're going to get you in.
I give you guys a choice.
Okay, Hunter,
It's
you
not my
well.
You want to keep it
Well,
on the same
you
side
get up over here.
he's the coach. But if you want to switch.
You guys good? Right.
We're going to switch him, coach.
All right, good. Is that 5 right there? Get up there.
I like to ask.
All right, let's go.
Maybe you can.
So figure out where you're going to play.
It especially becomes the thing with
Oh,
no one.
Gallo. Gallo, were you out there?
I'm trying. All right, young lady, you got to take
send him
that
in.
anthem to you.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Positions, Fuzzy?
Fire your ball.
Guys, hey, offense. The 4 of you.
Goalie, are you ready?
Maybe we do that, maybe we don't. Guess what?
Goalie, you
Sit
ready?
down for like 10 seconds. I need something. Put a little pressure on him. I mean, I'm not kidding you. I think we've had less than 5 shots. I'm not even making it up. And Flanny took 2 from the back. I'm not even making it up. I think we have 5 total. I'm counting.
Who's attacking the
No. Let's go! No, you see what I'm saying though on offense? Like, just we need more shots. That's all it is. I'm not saying they're all going to go in, but it'd be 5 to maybe 2 or 3 right now. Be a couple goals.
Get up!
Pressure! See? See? Pressure! Yes, yes, yes! Yes, see? Look at already. It's already different. It's already different. It's already different. Now slow him down. We're good. We're good. See? We're okay. We're still good.
Go, Blue. Now let's go start off quick.
You can either look at them and say they're good, or you can say, you know what, I'm pretty good too. Let's go. Mentality.
Let's go.
I don't know your answer, but you do have the option.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I don't know you. I just got fired up. When the refs let me have another player on, that means we're not doing it.
Hunter, who do you got?
Okay? That's it. I'm not doing it.
Way to take that.
Kyle, you good? All right, Kyle, come on. Come on. Where did he hit you? Where? Your arm? Oh, you all right? Go see your dad.
Coach, see the ice.
Yeah, get him some ice, please. Thank you so much. Mark, can you move it okay?
She's right. Get on your side of the field, Blue.
I'll punt it. Okay. Who's there? Come on, work!
It's Tim on 2.
Work!
Can I get a bag of ice, please? Thank you.
Gotta work! You have to work! Keep working! Watch behind you, watch behind you. That's you, Jeremy. That's you, Jeremy. Just slow him down, Jeremy. Just slow him down.
Yes, Boom.
Yes.
Nicely done.
Nice try.
That's very good. That was good defense, guys. Textbook. That was textbook. Guys, energy! What are we doing? Come on! Let's go! Hunter, be ready. Let's go. Be ready. Let's go. Energy. Energy. Get some energy. Mace, you need some energy. You gotta close the gap. What are we doing? We're at offense. Come on. Hunter, why are you walking over here? I'm sorry. Great job. Guys, you see that?
Great step, Sam.
I don't know about you, but that should fire you up. They're trying to do rainbows against you.
It does.
If that doesn't fire you up, guys, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm questioning the mentality of this team. Patrick, let's go. Hunter, you good? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Rainbows, field kicks. I know they're
Coach, can I go on?
Why, were you off? Flanagan's...
I'm ready. Wait. Should I go in?
Yeah, you go for Sam. Sam, just come. Just come.
There's no...
Dukes, get over here. Jeremy!
Ty, come on, we gotta save those.
That's a little bit much. Top. Yeah, back. Work! Back. Guys, listen, I don't care if they go score. Listen, I don't care if it's going to be 20 to nothing. Back. This is what anything these guys against. Hey, we're not going to get we're not going to go we're not going to have a 12 nothing game.
good.
You got to show that second half that we can play, okay? It's mentality right now. I don't care what the score is. You don't give up. That's it. It's literally it.
Yeah, I got you. Hold on. I was just about to say something to your coach. Yeah. Direct! Goal kick!
Hunter!
Nice job, boys.
Let's go! Work! We gotta work! Mason! You gotta run more, buddy. Come on. You gotta run more. It's gonna be quicker turnovers if you're not running. Come on, no. Let's go. I don't want to work! Fine? Okay, that's fine.
Nice
Okay,
shot.
that's a good shot. Okay. Alright. Let's work! Keep working! Just keep working, guys. That's all you can do. You keep working. You keep working. You keep working, Connor. Come on. And we work. That's it. You keep working. Keep pushing. You're good. Stay up. See what you see. Let's go. What do you see? Let's go.
That's it, keep. Way to get up there.
Let's go. Now one, just one. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Now we get it. Come on. Work. Come on.
Direct.
Work. Oh.
You can't just run him down. It was a nice try. I like it. But you can't run him down. Direct.
Chris should be an option. Let's go.
Nice job, keeper.
Strong. Come on. Switch with Connor. Connor, go right. Asher, go left.
Straight up. You don't want any ugly
Who's on him? No shot, Flanny. No shot. Stay with him, Christian. Stay with him. Let's go. Stay with him, Flanny. Let's go. Get up there now. Let's go. Help him out. Christian, get up there. Who's there? He was. Christian! Christian!
Guys, I want you to play clean. He needs to be falling on the ground here. Yeah, and legs first.
Yeah, exactly. Johnson is second half. Wait behind you!
Who's there? Can we finish? Come on, guys, finish!
Oh, wait, no. What
Finish!
races?
Nice try, boys. Nice
Okay,
try.
never mind. I'll be in the box. I will be.
I still like to know when that happens. I don't want it to happen.
Oh, I know. I didn't see it, so I would have. I didn't see it, but I think everybody saw it too. Yeah, he doesn't need to be If I see it, I would.
Please do.
Yeah!
Better not run it up.
Connor!
I don't think he's going up there.
He walked by.
Here, I got one.
Oh yeah, Mason.
It's even uglier, but it works.
I'll be in the box.
Hey guys, be ready. Shrewsbury, be ready. Let's go. Energy. Let's go, goalies get the ball. Let's go.
Flanny, you're good.
No, not when
Not much you can do with it.
What do you think?
Direct.
I have no idea. That looks like a page. I'm not even going.
There you can stand on yours.
Careful. Good job, boys. Both sides.
Dude, Ash, crash it.
Lanny,
Go
take a
kick.
break. Deuce!
Nice try.
Wait, Patrick, you're first. How do I keep getting it?
We'll get you guys in again.
You're not scared to go in, but no, you guys started the second. I'm not scared to go in. You guys started the second. Oh, the ball came out. Jackson, you're good.
Pick which ball you like better and give me the other one.
I'm gonna be seconded.
Go kick.
That ball was
I don't know. We're playing Worcester Division Hockey. In Shrewsbury. Foundation, I believe. After the competition. Come on, Jackson. Work!
Bien, Nice body.
Yeah. Hurry up. Come on. TJ, you're in the middle.
Shoulders, but be careful. He's hurt.
Who's up there, Patrick? Come on, work.
Stop. Go.
Go. Get up there, work. Work. Keep working.
Just joking.
TJ. Center net. Go.
Alright, your little sister then. Don't do that either. Oh, you stayed up. Nice.
Who's there? Asher, be part of this if you can. Be part of this if you can. Asher! Come on, Mason.
Oh, you were
Good stop, Gallo. Pressure, Patrick. Stay with him. Go. Come on, man.
Mason, get up there with them.
Gallo, you got it. Patrick. Go quick.
Get up there. Guys, get up there. Let's go. Let's get one.
Patrick, in the box. In the box.
Kept it in.
Outdoors. One lap outdoors. Against Worcester Division 1. Not the team that we played against twice, but a different team. All right, Patrick, nice try. Keep working.
Yeah, oh, that was close.
Yeah. Easy. Have it. Patrick.
Let's go, Mason.
Guys, I appreciate the hustle, but I gotta fill out paperwork, so you get away from my whistle, okay? Ready?
Pressure up. Hunter. Sean, what do you see? Yeah. That's good. Sean. One more.
Yes, Jackson.
Yeah. Release if you can. That's all right. Nice try.
They're coming.
Let's go. Work. Hunter, get up there. Be part of this. All right. Good.
What time is the game tomorrow?
10:30. All right.
Yellow. Hunter. Connor, get in there. Send him in.
Correct. Come on, back it up. Back it up a little bit. Back it up.
Good.
That's a good ball. Get up there, Tron. Be part of this. Guys, for some reason, you think you're going to just watch it. You have to be part of this play. Kick one against this team's not going to work. We need two kick players. Always engaged. Watch 7, Connor.
Nice save.
Mason, come on.
Followed up.
Connor, you're on the wing. Okay, good. Yeah. One more minute. Ready? Let's go now. Be part of this. Let's go.
I can play goalie.
Easy. Stay with him. Stay with him. Good. Now we work. Now we work. Stay with him. Good. Good.
I don't think that's shoulder. I'm going to.
One shot.
Pressure. Guys, the reason I didn't go in is because pressure puts a pressure. Honestly, a little bit of pressure goes a long way. That's all you need to do. You don't have to stop them. You just need to put it so they feel like, oh my God, I have to go different angles. Hey, Hey, now get back in there. Now who's there? Who's there?
Right where you are.
JD.
Keep it, you can go.
He keeps checking.
Perfect. Right there.
Watch 1-2.
Play on! Play on!
Yes, Sam. Easy. Spread out! No good. No, no, no.
Great save, Tyler.
Yeah, good job. Spread out, guys. You're going to spread out a little bit. Pick it up. Yeah. That's good. See ya.
I don't mind you running faster. You can't use
Jeff,
it to help you.
Jeremy.
Jeremy just got on.
Sorry, quick to you okay?
Direct! Boys, 2 minutes.
Oh,
That's a trip.
yeah. Take it, Christian. Christian, take it. Let's go. Get in the box. Get up there. Lady, get up there. We got nothing to lose. Get up there. Whatever. Here.
No, it was direct. He missed it.
Christian, come on. Go. Tron. Go.
He didn't trip on his own feet.
Come on, Tron.
No, it's the way you fell.
I'm sorry, did you have bad chocolate milk? Is that why you're making faces at me? You tripped him. Right here, Claire. Direct! Coming your way.
Connor, come over here. Go.
Go in, dude.
Nice clear.
Hey!
Yep. Take it, Asher.
One of you guys gotta go sit. That would be a yellow card. Hurry it up.
Asher, let's go. Take it.
One of white blue has to go sit.
Get over it, Ash. Asher, get over it. Get over the ball.
Needs to go out.
Can we do it now? You get 10 seconds. Go.
Yeah. Boys! Don't give me this. I can't see behind me.
Guys, be ready for the rebound. Direct.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
It's direct or no?
It is direct.
It's direct. It's direct out. Good.
Yeah, I know. I screwed up the. Sorry, boys.
Light it up.
Sorry, guys, it's a close game.
Line it up.
Keep up front. There he is. All right, boys, bring it across. Great job.
Try to get your stuff. Grab your stuff, guys. Let's talk for a minute.
Hey, guys. Do me a favor. You did not like my ball.
Shutting down recording and powering off. Please wait, this may take a minute.